Assalamualaikum to Madam Raiha and Mr. Ahmad Nizam. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Abdul Jalil. Today I would like to present about my project title for PSM1 development of smart load board checker to investigate the lifespan of relay. My supervisor for this project is Mr. Amwano Hisham. In this presentation, I would like to present to discuss about introduction, problem statement, objective, scope, literature review, methodology, expected result, and conclusion. Relay Relay is electrical operated switch. It is an electromagnetic switch that is used to turn on and turn off a circuit. There are two types of relay that most used in industry, that is electromechanical relay and solid state relay. In relay, it have a contact relay that has normally closed and normally open. Material used in relay mostly silver due to its higher electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. Each relay has a different lifespan depend on their contact relay. In theory, SRD relay module can last more than 100 million operations with no load and 1 million of rate coil voltage. There are three problem statements for this project. For the first, the limitation of human ability to find out the damage of the relay. Second, repeatedly relay switching or high current load can shorten relay contact life. Lastly, higher cost of machine to check relay lifespan in market. Okay, for the objective, first, to design and implement of the digital smart load board checker to identify the damage of the relay. Second, to analyze the count of lifespan switching contact relay. And third, lastly, to create low-cost relay lifespan checker by using Arduino Uno microcontroller. Okay, this project is about same as a test hub company in Malacca which tests the lifespan of the component. This company is design and develop test system solution per customer specific device datasheet and test plan requirement. Okay, this is a project scope for the project. Okay, we use two different type of relay to identify the damage of relay. First LED used to turn on relay and second LED used to turn off the relay. If all LED due to not turn on an LED, it mean relay is damaged. Then LCD will display cycle count of relay. This system will use EEPROM memory to save the data when the system off. Okay, this system is used Arduino Uno microcontroller as a brain to handle all the components used in this project such as relay, LED, and LCD. Okay, this is a literature review. This literature review has two things to emphasize. There is a application of checker lifespan relay by using different method and type and characteristic of contact relay materials. Okay, this is a table for five best article that I have researched. For the first article, this article is used integrated relay testing method to address this problem with a novel front-end evaluation focused on development digital signal processing. Okay, this live testing was primarily based on a single parameter of live test is the contact resistance. Okay, second article, it have a two method of prediction that are degradation trajectory and biases method. For the third article, it use scanning electron microscope to look on contact reading silver tan oxide. The reasonable problem of the contact reading was its transmission of material from cathode to anode triggered by the short arc. Then, next article use semiconductor automatic test equipment testing application to enhance the stability faster measurement. Lastly, the theoretical lifespan range of electromechanical relay is from 100 cycles to 500,000 cycles by using copper coil of the control relay, of the contact relay. Okay, this is a table for the different common contact material. There is silver, silver tin, silver nickel, and silver palladium. Based on this table, silver has a highest of all metal where its electrical conductive and thermal conductivity. Okay, this is a methodology for this project. This methodology are divided to hardware component and software. Okay, this is a flowchart for the first software implementation. For this project is use Pro Tools to design the circuit and Arduino IDE to write code and upload the hex file to the board. After design, simulation run the system, and if it have a problem, the system must be troubleshoot until achieve the goals. After that, after design the software, we have to design the hardware circuit on the board. Normally, there is always fault in the wiring connection because the simulation circuit has a correct circuit, and it have a two troubleshoot until get the same as simulation. Lastly, collect the data and analyze the data. Okay, this is a block diagram. This block diagram have a power supply to active the Arduino when Arduino or system active. When the system active, relay will automatic active and LED inductor will light up, flow the operation of relay. The cycle contact of relay will display on the LCD. The system have a reset push button to reset the value of the cycles. For the hardware configuration, Arduino Uno microcontroller, LCD, SRD relay are being used. For the software, we use Pro Tools to design the circuit and Arduino IDE to convert the source code into the Arduino. As a conclusion, this smart lockboard is function to check lifespan of relay by count of the cycle relay. This project will make easier to human to find out the damage of relay. Okay, this is my simulation circuit, and the video for the simulation circuit. Okay, when we run the simulation, the system, value of cycle will be calculated according to the relays switch. Okay, this LED green is show the relay on and red show the relay off. When we stop the system and run again, the value of relay will be saved. It is because we in this system we use EEPROM memories to save the data. That's all my presentation. Thank you.